Hey guys, so this is going to be the next video in my pre-filmed little series of Sephora Play unboxings, and this is going to be the April box. April is my birthday month, and I remember getting this and wanting to open it right away, but I didn't because I knew I needed to film. Comes with another 50 Sephora Beauty Insider points, which expire after a month, so unfortunately I can't use it. That's my own fault. Probably better off, because when I get these points, I feel obligated to like use them and buy something that I don't need. So it's okay. And then it says Insta Beauty Bucket List. How many of these social media classics have you captured? I don't really know because I'm not basic. Anywho, on the back, as usual, all the products are listed here. So this is what the little bag looks like. It says Make It Snappy. That's kind of cute. And the first thing I pulled out is Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Ooh, oh, that's really tiny. It has all of the shades down here, and then it circled the one that I got, and that's how tiny it is. But it's cute. Ooh, this is kind of big. I like this. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial, an at-home facial that sweeps away dead skin cells with professional grade ingredients. How to use: once a week, apply to clean, dry skin, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse off, and follow with moisturizer. Your skin may be more sensitive to the sun after using this, so don't forget SPF. Does it come out like a squeezy? Yeah. Oh. Doesn't really smell great. This, ooh, Living Proof. Next product is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo and Conditioner, a gentle, weightless shampoo and conditioner duo that adds shine and volume while keeping your style fresh for longer. Always love little samples like this. If I'm traveling, I like to bring mini shampoos with me. So little sample size ones are really good too. They're kind of a one use for me because I have a lot of hair, but still very good for traveling. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector, a lightweight primer that blurs imperfections and reduces the look of pores. Are you kidding right now? Come be in mommy's video. So I probably don't need a mattifying primer in the summer, but I think this would be good to use in the fall and try out. The next thing is a Philosophy Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask, a multi-action face mask that banishes blackheads while it smooths the skin. Any sort of mask is good because I feel like these little ones, you get like maybe 1 or 2 or 3 uses out of this, which is nice to try them out. This is the Sephora Collection Rouge Cream Lipstick in the red, a highly pigmented creamy lipstick in a Fire Engine red shade. Yeah, this is like the perfect red color. Well, it looks like the perfect red color, but you have to build it up. It's alright though, it's a little one. So that is it for April Sephora Play unboxing for 2018. Oh, and the red lipstick is not dry yet. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed what you saw in the unboxing, or unbagging really, then click that like button, comment what you thought or any requests down below, and be sure to subscribe to my main channel, my beauty channel, and my vlog channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.